Hey everyone, it's Silverlimey here. This is my first package that's arrived, so I thought I'd open it and share it with everybody. I got this from Silver Bull. There's a couple of nice pieces in there. I'm very excited. Literally, this parcel arrived at probably about 10 o'clock in the morning, so you can see I've pretty much kept it as it is. I've been meaning, so I was like, should I open it? Should I open it? But I was like, no. I'm gonna open it with you guys. So again, thank you for your support. The subscribers really went up. Last time I checked, we were on about 29 subscribers. So again, thank you very much. The views are climbing as well. It's great. I'm over 300 views. So clearly the content is there. Just comment, like. I'd certainly appreciate if this is your first viewing. Is this unboxing? You're welcome to click the subscribe button and click the bell next to it, and I'll be opening more of these hopefully. So again, thank you very much for the support, and let's get on with it. Right, let's see what we got. I don't know if I'm sure you guys have probably done these before. Just taken the labels off and that, so we'll see how we get on. Yeah, it's been a while since I've bought silver. I'd say it's been more than a few years. So I'm very excited about this. Let's have a look, see if we can get this thing open. Oh, there we go. There's the lip. I see it. Let's see if we can pop this open. Looks like I might need a new knife here. Let's just do it the old-fashioned way, shall we? Almost there. Just they've seriously taped this thing up. They definitely don't want anyone looking in here. Right, so here we are. Have a look at that. What we have here. We've got some of these capsules. I thought initially I'd have to take them, but there they are there. This is the Canadian proof coin. I'm going to do a proper review on these as I go. So I won't go into too much detail in regards to it. I'll put that to one side. Let's see what else we got. Let's have a look. I don't want to go and scratch anything, so these feel like coins. There we go. A couple of pieces there. I went for a few fractional pieces as well, so I've got the Libertads. We'll go into a bit more detail in a minute. Also got the 2018 krugerrand. I went for the silver round. This is the buffalo. That's just a snapshot of some of my stuff there. There's the Indian head there with the buffalo. I thought these look quite smart. There's a couple of bits there. There's the Britannia. I'm going to open these up properly anyway. I'll give you guys a proper look. I'm just going to put these down for now. I think these seem kind of light, so I wonder what this is. Well, I must say the packaging for these guys is pretty good. What do we have here? Oh, there we go. There's the two 1/10 of an ounce. Oh, there's my stands. Wow, jeez, I didn't expect it that big. Wow, okay. That's obviously for a 10 ounce round or something like that. But yeah, I haven't gone to that territory yet. There's the little small one. I'm going to put them in little stands. I thought that'd be quite nice. see what else we got here. Oh, there's another buffalo still around. That's interesting. I don't think I ordered 2 of these, strangely enough. Okay, but oh, sorry, that actually fell out earlier, so apologies for that. And I think that pretty much does it. There's the obviously your invoice. These are the 100-gram bars I ordered. I don't know if you guys have ever seen these combi bars, but look at that. That's 100 gram. I'm going to open one of these. I'll do a separate video for that though. Wow, absolutely fantastic. Look at the detail on these. Each little bar is actually a gram of silver. So I'm definitely going to explore that. I got 2 of them. I will do an individual video on each piece here. I won't go into too much detail. I'll sort of give it away, but there you go. Thanks very much for watching, guys. If you liked the video there, please feel free to click the like button. If this is your first visit, subscribe, please. Definitely hit the bell icon. I'll be updating with more stuff as I go along. Again, thank you for the support I've had on the channel. It's only going to get better. So definitely stay tuned, watch what I'm going to show. And again, thanks very much, guys, and keep well, and I will see you on the next video.